friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. But today we are not going to talk about home decor. It's that time of year. Are you ready? It is time to talk about the Spring FabFitFun box. And the spring slogan is spring flings and very nice things. So if you want to see what I picked out from FabFitFun for spring 2024, make sure you just keep watching. All right, so I'm very excited about my spring box. And you know, I forgot actually what I selected. So this is how the box comes. This is how it looks. I know it's huge. So nice. It says deals for days, and the box is valued at over 300. I keep moving you around. The box is valued at over $350. So let's just see what we got. You guys know I can't see, so we have to bring out our trusty reader. So one of the first things that I wanted to concentrate on for 2024 is getting healthy. I talked to you guys about that before, but I also want to try new looks. So one of the options that they offered in the FabFitFun box this time was this dip brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I decided I wanted to try it. This is in the ebony color. I'm not a makeup girl. I wear very minimal, very little makeup, but you know, I like trying out new things. So when I saw this, I thought this would be perfect, and this is how it looks. And you open it up and it's like a dark brown color. Right now I don't know if you can tell, I use like a black brow pencil. It's probably too dark. It doesn't look very natural, but you know, your girl is a creature of habit. Every time. So I've been doing my brows this way since I started wearing makeup at what, 14, 15 years old. So I've never changed my makeup style since. So, you know, I thought it was time to try something a little different. So I was very excited to try out this. I'll keep you posted on how this does. And then the next thing that I picked out, look at everything in here. Oh my gosh, so nice. All right, so we'll continue with the makeup. To go along with this, I also picked up this brow brush, and it looks like this. And it comes in this neat little pouch. This brush is a number 12, and it said it's dual-ended firm angled brush. And so it has a brush on one side, if you can see that. Can you see that? Brush on one side, and then it has the little, or the where you can go and do like this with your eyebrows. Again, I'm not a makeup girl. And the brush on the other side. So I thought this was neat. I guess you can take this and kind of line up your brows like that. Yeah. So anyway, your girl's gonna be playing with new looks for this year. And guess what? I even got some fake eyelashes to try. You guys know I don't wear, like I said, a lot of makeup. I don't wear fake lashes, but again, I want to, you know, try new looks. So hey, I thought, what the hey? So yeah, I'm excited to try new brows and new lashes. Although I did not get the lashes from FabFitFun. I got those from Amazon. Oh, all right. Now, the next thing that I got, what is this? This is a skin serum. It's by Grown Alchemist, and it comes in this box. It looks like this. And I need to put on the screen the value of these products because I don't remember. But this is how it looks. It comes in this green bottle. Again, Grown Alchemist. It says it is a purifying body exfoliant, and it has a pearl, peppermint, and yin yang. Let's see. It smells like something, if you went to a spa, that they would rub on you. So I'm excited to try this. Biological Beauty. So this again is how it looks. So nice. So I can't wait to try this. All right, and then the next thing we picked up is a shower gel, and it's Olive Blossom. It looks like this. So this really is like a pampering kit for me. I'm so excited. And I think last year, the winter box, I also picked up some pampering items. So this is by Pure Greek. It is made out of olive oil, and it's supposed to be good. I can't read this really small writing. It's a shower gel. It's supposed to make your body smooth and silky while you're showering. So I picked this up, and look, it goes with my green. Looks so nice. You know, green is my accent color. So yeah, pick this up. I don't know the price. Again, I will put up the pricing on the screen. And then the next thing that I picked up was this muscle recovery. You guys know I have been working out, trying to get healthy. And when I saw this as an option, I thought this would be great. Again, it's a muscle pain relief recovery gel by African Botanics, and it looks like this. So I thought this would be great. Does it have a scent? Let's see. You know how when you put on like muscle rubs and stuff, they have that medicine-y smell? This sort of has that. But yeah, so I can put this on after I work out, rub it in, relax the muscle pain, and then use my olive shower gel and rinse it all off. So yeah, I thought those were great. And then that's everything that I picked up that was pamper related. The next item that I picked up is this bag. There is a bag that was going around, and I want to say, I forget who made the bag, but this bag reminded me of that. So it's this little bag right here. Look how cute that is. If you're going out on the town and you just want something simple to carry, this would be great. And I'll leave a photo of the bag that this reminded me of. Was it Bottega? I think it was a Bottega bag. But this one, like I said, is a similar style. You know, you guys, I'm all about getting the luxe look for less, and I thought this was similar and perfect. This is from Melly Bianco. You can see that. So nice. I love the color, very neutral. You could put your phone in here, your wallet, little makeup, maybe a little sample size perfume. So very nice. And so I'm glad I picked that up. And then the last thing that I picked up, again, you know I am working out, and I thought this would be perfect to use as a gym bag. And it's this bag right here. So nice. Look how big it is. So you can carry it like this, or it has these straps on the back, so you could wear it as a little backpack if you wanted to. So nice. Don't mind my shorts. I just got out of the shower and threw these clothes on. So yeah, this is what your girl's wearing today. I threw these on after working out. This is Beyond Yoga is the brand. Very, very nice. They have this little pouch here at the bottom. You could put in, say if you want to take some snacks with you to the gym. So nice. This is how it looks. Or anything you wanted to put in here. They have these pockets on the side where you can put in your water bottle. You could put in your muscle recovery little sample. This could go in here on the side like so. And then this is how the inside looks. You put your gym clothes in there. You even have this little zipper pouch here. You can put things there, your jewelry that you don't want to wear while you're working out. And it has the little cinch, so you can cinch it up like this. Whoops. Cinch it up and then close it, just like this. And then you can throw it over your arm like this and off to the gym you go. So nice. So I was very happy to see this, and I went ahead and picked it up again. Perfect for me to use when I am going to the gym. So I think, yep, that is it. All right, guys, so that is it. That is everything that I picked up in my spring box with FabFitFun. I am so excited to try out my new products. Again, I will leave a link in the description box down below for you to try FabFitFun for yourselves. You can do an annual subscription. You can use my code iSTYLEMYSTYLE and you will get a gift valued at over $200 when you use that, and you will get it annually. You can also select additional gifts. There's like mystery bundles. It's a whole thing, guys. It's so much fun. Or you could also buy a box seasonally, and I will leave a coupon code for that as well. It's iStylEMYSTYLE, and that will get you 20% off your seasonal box. But guys, so excited. You cannot go wrong with FabFitFun. I love the winter collaboration. This spring collaboration I am absolutely going to love as well. I cannot wait to try out my new bag, my handbag, and my bag to go to the gym. As a matter of fact, I think I will go today after work. I cannot wait to put all my stuff in it and just, go get my sweat on. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Thank you, FabFitFun, for sponsoring today's video. I am always so happy to collaborate with you guys. I have loved everything I have gotten so far. I know my friends and family members here on the channel will love your items as well. So guys, make sure you go check them out. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.